Someone's got the hiccups.
Look, you can see my belly twitching. They stop? Nope. Oh. He's like, damn it to hell. Oh. Oh no, he's got the hiccups. They're bad. He's getting really mad. Look, he's doing it a lot. We probably should tell them that his thing's not coming out.
There he is.
There he is.
Maybe he stopped.
Oh my gosh.